I'm Emily Bussey. I'm a 21-year-old senior at the University of Iowa. I'm a journalism major and American Studies minor, and I've worked at the Daily Iowan since I was a freshman. This year, I'm the editor-in-chief. Started as a Metro reporter, and I covered women and minorities at first, and then I did the State Board of Regents, so higher education in Iowa. And then I was a Metro editor my sophomore year, a managing editor my junior year, and then I had an internship at KCRG and the Gazette in Cedar Rapids last semester. And then this year I've been editor-in-chief.
Emily's a great leader, and she really knows a lot about the organization and journalism in general. And she's very smart and very bright, and she really does what it takes to get everything done around here. And we wouldn't be where we are today without all of her hard work.
Really tougher when I was a reporter, which seems strange because I wasn't doing as much work when I was a reporter. I did take a lot of stories every week, but you're not there as late. But now that I'm an editor, I think part of it is I'm just used to it. I guess I'm just used to the fact that I'm here 10 to 11 hours every night. But I also like working with the people that I work with, and I'm comfortable here, so it's not too bad to be here that long. In terms of getting my schoolwork done, I do homework after I get home until 2 or so, sometimes even later, 3 or 3:30. It was definitely an exercise in self-control and time management, and that's definitely a really good experience for that, learning about that. When I was a reporter, I was very stressed out about it. I didn't always enjoy it because I thought that it took up way too much of my time, and I was always kind of stressed out. But I always, the day after, when I saw my name in the paper and the story that I'd worked so hard on published, it was always worth it. And I realized that was more important, and I just kind of threw myself into it and said, this is my priority, this is what's most important, this is the most important thing I'm doing at school right now. I never thought I was going to be the editor. I never aspired to that at first. It just sort of came along after a while, after I realized that the DI is really something special on campus. We act like a professional newspaper. We compete with other professional newspapers in the community, and we hold ourselves to professional standards. So we're teaching everyone here, and we're learning ourselves how to be journalists every day. I would consider everyone that works for us a journalist already from the work that they do.